Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add the 20 and the 50 EMA in TradingView chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your TradingView chart, then go to Indicators. Click on it and type here EMA. You will see this one, Moving Average Exponential. Click on it 2 times, like this. Okay, as you can see here, we have two EMAs. Now close this one and let's go to the first one. Click on the gear icon and type here 20. Go to style and you can change the color of it from here if you want. You can change also the thickness. For example, this one, I will change that color. Okay, this one is good. Click on OK. And let's change the other one to the 50 EMA. Go to input and change the length to 50. Now let's go to style and let's change this color, for example, to this one and the thickness to this one and click on OK. And that's it. As you can see here, the blue is the 20 EMA. Just click on it one time and it will be highlighted here. And the black one is the 50 EMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.